Magic Art.
Hello friends, welcome to Magic Art. How to draw cute Doraemon, easy drawing and coloring for kids. Wait. Today we are drawing the cutest robot cat ever, Doraemon. Can we draw Doraemon in just few steps? Let's try. Start with a big round face, like a soft balloon. This Doraemon has no battery, still full power. No future gadgets needed. You made him yourself. Add a tiny nose, red and shiny like a button. Now draw two big eyes because Doraemon sees everything. Add his pocket, maybe a secret gadget is inside. Time to color, blue for body and white for face. Color neatly. Doraemon likes clean drawings. Don't press his pocket. Something might come out. Make the nose bright red. Don't miss it. If your Doraemon looks cute, hit like.